Range Hood Installation Guide, R-Max Series. This range hood supports 3 installation types. No upper cabinet, with upper cabinet and upper cabinet plus trim panel. Unboxing and tool preparation. Open the product carton and check all items inside after unboxing. Prepare the following tools before installation. Read the manual carefully and check the installation dimensions. Measurement and preparation. Measure the height between the top of cooktop and the cabinet. Measure the width of the cabinet. Place the paper template text side down on the upper cabinet base and mark the cutting position as illustrated. Measure the mounting bracket height, locate the center line, and make clear marks. Use a level to ensure horizontal and vertical alignment. Check the wall to avoid hidden pipes and wires inside. Lay a dust-proof protective film over the construction area. Drilling and installation. Choose the right drill bit based on wall material. Then drill holes at the marked spots. Secure the wall brackets tightly with expansion bolts and screws. Cut and create the exhaust vent opening, following the marked lines. Drill holes on the upper cabinet at the pre-marked spots with a proper drill bit. Hang the range hood onto the fixed wall brackets. Fasten the hood to the upper cabinet bottom with screws. Place a sealing gasket at the air outlet and install the backdraft damper. The exhaust duct needs to be purchased separately. Power on and testing. Place the oil cup into the bracket at the bottom of the filter cover before use. After powering on, adjust the speed according to your cooking needs.